Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create a program which will count the special words from the string. Which are the special words for me? The words which are having the odd number of characters in it and the vowel is in the center. Let us start the program with the comment line. Display the words which are having odd number of characters and the vowel is at the center. Let me get the user input. St is equal to input of, enter the string. As I need to work on words, I will be splitting it. Stl is equal to st dot split off. Let us also count these words. So count is equal to 0, I initialize. Now I traverse the list for I in stl. First let me take the words which are having odd length. If len of I mod 2 equal to 1. Now I want to check whether the middle character is vowel. To extract the middle character, I will divide this length by 2 so that I will be getting. In case it is 5, 5 divided by 2 will be 2.5. But we need exactly middle one. 2.5 is not an index. So what I am going to do is I am going to floor divide so that I will be getting only 2. So 0, 1, 2 will be the middle character in 5 letters word. Similar way, if it is 7, it will be 3. So I am giving a condition here. If I of len of I floor divided by 2, I am going to check whether it is a vowel. So I can also check using the string which are vowels in A, E, I, O, U. If it is capital letters, let me also give that A, E, I, O, U. So it is checking whether the middle character is in this. So if it is that, then it is going to be a vowel. So I will be counting the words. Count plus equal to 1. I will also have to print it. So print I, and then I need one space between the words. So I will be giving end equal to space. So instead of going to the next line, end equal to gives the character which is given there in the quotation. So it is a space, so it will provide space between the words, but it will be in the single line. So coming out of the for loop, we will print the number of words. So print number of words count. So as we have given end equal to space, it will be printing in the same line. To break the line, I am giving a new line escape sequence, that is \n. Let us run this program. Breakdance in the space. See there, here there are two words, break, E is in the middle, space, A is in the middle. Let us try one more time. Speaker is the chief guest. So here speaker and then chief guest. All these are special words for us. Hope this program is clear to you. Let us meet in the next class. Keep watching my channel and learning. Thank you.